Lush forestscapes dance in the gentle breeze. Birds harmonize in sweet melodies. Nilgais peep out of the bushes, and delicate butterflies flutter around wild flowers. Indeed an escape from Gurugram's urban sprawl. The vibrant chorus of nature beckons you to immerse in its breathtaking splendor. Welcome to Karma Lakelands, an ecological Eden carved out in a space that is living and breathing with over 2 lakh plants and trees. The canopy of green includes the bamboo forest, ficus forest, biodiversity park, Devakar forest, and the Kailash sacred forest. Karma Lakelands has easy access to major highway networks, nature-inspired living means, great connectivity, and a cosmopolitan lifestyle. While being close to nature, the property is well linked to downtown Gurugram. Located strategically as a gateway to both current and future developments, it is situated in proximity to reputed schools, hospitals, industrial and commercial hubs, shopping malls, and key locales in the city. While the award-winning 9-hole golf course maintained with restored water is the jewel in the crown, Karma Lakelands offers a golfing resort lifestyle amidst a 270-acre biodiverse paradise. As you traverse the sensory path along the periphery of the golf course, you can witness nature in all her glory. Breathe in tranquility as the air quality surpasses the city's average, placing it at par with global standards. Karma Lakelands hosts a multitude of entertainment zones ranging from multi-cuisine restaurants, sports facilities, outdoor activity spaces, an elaborate obstacle course, the Isha room for wellness enthusiasts, and spiritual seekers among others. In this pristine haven, sustainability is a way of life. From verdant foliage nourished by restored water to solar power and biocomposting, every effort bows to nature. The ultimate homage to eco-friendly living with a symbiotic relationship. Karma Lakelands advocates no honking, no single-use plastic, and a conscious community. The expansive organic farmlands brim with produce for the restaurants at the resort. The premises also host Ankuram, an experiential farm, a petting farm with horse stables where one can indulge in delightful interactions. As majestic as the towering trees is the spectacular Sobha Aranya, a collection of spacious eco-luxurious residences. Sobha Aranya is located besides the awe-inspiring golf course as one enters Karma Lakelands. True to its name, Sobha Aranya feels like a forest retreat. The nuances of perfection are reflected in Sobha's methodology and craftsmanship. Immaculately crafted for discerning home buyers with impeccable taste, the abodes are a blissful sanctuary with modern design and expansive layouts. These residences offer panoramic views of the golf course, with an abundance of open spaces and amenities across thematic zones. Residents can indulge in the opulence of a resort lifestyle. The Olympic-sized pool, lagoon pool, jogging track, bamboo walk, ecology deck, scented and healing gardens, and a grand clubhouse are all thoughtfully curated. Make your space in Gurugram's green suburbia away from the bustle, where beautiful days transform into cozy nights filled with bonhomie and cheer. Sobha Aranya, a charming address in Karma Lakelands, the epitome of eco-luxe living.